I really feel that this project was the impetus for Canam to build on its sustainability goals.
This project is gonna push the industry in some way. For the future, I think this will be the standard, and Canam will be there to support those structures.
Canam was seeking support in a low-carbon steel product, and we were happy to work with Canam on this project.
It felt good to have the team come around this project and work together to make the product and have a benefit on the environment at the same time.
I think this project really demonstrates and serves as a showcase project, and really it's a proof of concept. On this project in particular, XCarb was a very good fit, and the most important thing to understand about XCarb is that it is the exact same thing as conventional steel. The only difference is how that steel ended up getting made.
XCarb is a product made off of ArcelorMittal Dofasco's electric arc furnace. It's a product made with a 70% scrap minimum and renewable energy.
Jobs like this really force us to look at the carbon footprint that we leave behind, and that's a competitive advantage for Canam. We have to continue to build on that and improve on that because our Canadian resources are some of the best in the world, and Canam as a Canadian company can partner with our Canadian mills and offer those on the market.
The XCarb steel being able to reduce the carbon footprint so significantly was one way that we could really demonstrate building efficiently with a thoughtful procurement plan.
The fact that we have started a division just for sustainability, I believe it says a lot. Safety is a continuous project. We will always be working on safety, and I'm proud to work for a company that does spearhead that.
So in today's age, there's a higher emphasis on needing a sustainable solution, and that sustainable solution in steel is XCarb, produced off our electric arc furnace. Canam was very clear in their objectives and what was needed to ensure success.
Canam and Dofasco go back a long time. We work together on many projects every year, and this project was one that we had to put a lot of effort into on both sides to kind of get to the spec and the budget that was demanding to build this building.
We're seeing it as a really important part of our sustainable journey at Canam. We're really prioritizing EPDs and LCAs for our product, and we want to also starting to improve those in coming years. I feel like we can influence the industry. We feel like we can have an impact on the well-being of the workers. We can have an impact on the city or the village or where the businesses occurs. That's something we can be proud of, and I hope it's going to continue in that for the future.
You know, I'm really proud to be involved in this project. I was proud to build those relationships with our sales team, our estimation team, our sustainability team, and those are long-lasting partnerships that we'll continue to build on.
I've been here 26 years now and just really proud to see the products that we make. So to be able to see something from beginning to end is pretty amazing.
Like a lot of Canam employees, it's one of the first things I do when I walk into a building is I look up and is that our joist, is that our deck? It's rewarding to be able to walk in with a family member and say, I came from our facility.